Hello, good morning, Mendez. More detailing.
Hey, what's up? Do you do you come to people's houses and do the details?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any appointments today?
For today, I might be able to get to you today. What kind of car do you have, and what's your biggest concern?
I have a van, a Toyota Sienna, and I really need the carpets done real good.
Okay.
Like,
Are you looking for just the inside?
yeah, pretty much. I mean, the outside I can run through a car wash.
Okay. Do you mind just sending me a few pictures over just so I can see, because I don't want to promise you I'll make it out to you, and I can't. So if you can send me some pictures. Welcome back, you two. Welcome back. Oh man, they got a dog in the front. They got a dog in the front door. All right, so we're gonna see here. We have a detail scheduled, but the client is not responding to my calls or texts, so I'm about to see what's up. Is this dog friendly or? Hey, good morning. I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
I'm AJ.
Nice to meet you, likewise. The dog seems friendly. I was a little scared.
Extremely friendly. He's
Okay.
actually more scared of you than you are. He's such a punk. But this is the car.
Okay.
We tried to clear it out for you.
Perfect. I appreciate that. Is it the first time you're getting it detailed?
Like actually detailed, yes.
Okay.
Like, I think we've gotten like my seats cleaned.
Yeah.
From like the old dealer.
Okay.
But I've never like
Detailed it. Yeah, I understand. And I think I spoke with James.
My dad,
Your
yeah.
dad? Okay. We just try to like figure out what kind of, pricing and what kind of like package, because he honestly didn't really like let me know too much.
Okay.
On what you wanted to get done. I mean, he did probably, but like we were probably speaking on the phone. I forgot.
Yeah.
But he was just trying to make sure that I cleaned it up for you. I see you got some stains on the seats and stuff.
That's usually what.
So
that's basically like the biggest thing. Like,
yeah.
And some of them won't come out, which is fine. Like
Yeah.
They've been there for a while now.
Okay.
We just want to get like most of them out.
Yeah, and I'm glad you understand, because I was gonna mention that we'll try our best, but
Some of
we
them
can't.
don't come out.
We can't guarantee everything's gonna look perfect.
You ain't gotta tell me. I know.
But I was just more concerned about like the pricing and stuff like
Okay.
that. Like what was did you guys know what you were gonna spend?
No, okay, so let's talk about this.
Yeah.
The seats, the interior,
Right.
including the seats, floors, and everything.
Yeah.
How much is, dashboard, windows, and all that stuff, all the interior, what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
price associated with that?
So that would be around probably like 200, I would say. 200, and if you wanted to add the washer, it would be 280. So it would be 80 more for the outside.
Oh, no, we
Really,
don't
yeah, we don't do that outside.
You don't want to do that outside?
The interior was really our goal.
Okay.
To get the
Yeah.
interior clean.
Okay, so I could do the inside for 200, like I mentioned, and it's gonna be shampooing everything and making sure it's basically like a reset, trying to get it looking as new as possible.
That's fine.
That's fine with us.
Okay, just making sure. Yeah,
Yeah,
I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, like do I need to clear out anything else?
Nah, that should be good.
Okay,
We'll
cool.
take care of everything else from here. I'll just pull in right here to the driveway. Is that fine?
Yeah. How long do you think it's gonna take?
I'll probably be done at like 11:30, 12.
I know that's right. Go ahead, do your thing.
Is that cool? Do you need it
ahead,
back?
it's fine.
All right,
Yeah, we need it,
perfect. No problem. So they were a little excited. Last detail of the day, the last one. Ah, man, we took about 40 minutes to get here. Let's see. This client, I think, is a Spanish-speaking client, so let's see. Will she talk English or will she talk Spanish? It's cold. It's only getting colder. I think right now it's... What's the weather? The weather is 44 degrees. It feels way colder than that. I don't think nobody's home. Yeah, I don't think nobody's home, so. Oh. Oh no, you're good. I think we're here to detail a car. I'm just making sure.
Yeah, it's the blue one.
It's the blue one. Okay, just making sure I didn't want to do it and it's not the car.
No,
Do you?
it's good.
Is it unlocked? Do you have the
He
keys?
has unlocked.
All right, perfect, man. Thank you.
Sorry.
Nah, it's cool. My man was in there getting busy.